Building a system is one thing, but debugging it, that's where things get real. In this video, I'm going to show you some real problem I faced while building my auction system and how I actually fixed them. So this time, we will check in post-main auctions. Get method, send the request. So right, 200 OK message. So right now, everything looks fine. The API is working, data coming from directly from database. But honestly, it didn't start like this. This is my model class. So model class is okay, database is match. This time we will add some new field, debug field. So we stop the server. Start the server now. Okay, server is start correctly. Now we check the get method for get all options. Oh, suddenly everything is broke. The API start failing with the error. The problem here was the backend model. My backend model and database were not aligned. The backend expect this field, but the database didn't have it. Remove the debugging field. So remove the debugging field. So fix this. I had to sign it the database. Remove and stop the server and restart the server. Still, now we can check the options. Wait, the server is not start. Okay, we can 200 OK message. After that, everything works again. Another issue I had was real-time update. Sometimes the UI wasn't update even after the placing bid. Now UI didn't update, but the database is saved the latest bit 110250 amount. So we can place that bit is failed, bit amount is be higher than the current price. So bit is updating database, but UI didn't update. Turn out the front-end wasn't listening to the event properly. Once I fixed the listening real-time update start working correctly. So we show the SignalR connection is off. So connection is on bit place, bit handler, and the connection on auction update handle. So now we can place the bit instantly update. So we can place the bit real-time update is main. Bit history also update. I also had the issues with the invalid data. For example, if someone try to place the bit lower bit, the backend reject it. We can check it used for the postman body JSON like amount. We place no. Now we get all options and filter them. ID. We got the fine art and place bit. Place bit is a post of place bit post have a JSON So send 400 BAT request. Message bit must be higher than current price. 5905000. So we want to place 906000. Now working correctly 200. Okay, bit is played and bit count is 40. What I learned from this project: write your code is not a hardest part. Debugging and fixing issues, there are where the real learning happens. If you want building a real project, don't just make them work. Break them, fix them, understand them. That's how actually you grow as a developer. Thank you for the watching, following my journey, subscribe and like this video.